Good morning, students. I am Savita Alfred. Welcomes you e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy, Betia. Students, today I am going to teach you Standard 6 Subject English, Chapter 6, Brown Wolf. So let's start our chapter. Students, in my previous video I have taught you till paragraph 40. Today I will teach you from paragraph 41. Let's see paragraph 41. Madge realized he was unsure and used the opportunity to persuade him that the dog had a choice. If you really love him, what would make him happy would make you happy too, she urged. So, now Madge understood that he is not sure to take Wolf with him because she told him the dog also has a choice, and she urged, if you really love him, what would make him happy would make you happy too. मैज ने मिलर से कहा कि डॉग की भी अपनी चॉइस है और यदि आप उसे प्यार करते हैं तो जिसमें उसे खुशी मिलती है उससे आपको भी खुशी, उसी में आपको भी खुशी मिलेगी. Then paragraph 42. Miller thought for a while and said slowly, your remarks, ma'am, have some weight in them. We'll let him choose. Whatever he says goes. You people stay right here. I'll say goodbye and walk off. If he wants to stay, he can stay. If he wants to come with me, let him come. I won't call him to come, and don't you call him to come back. So then Miller thought for a while and said that what you are saying, that is correct. Your remarks, ma'am, have some weight in them. It means what you are saying makes sense. जो आप कह रही हैं वो सही है. And they had a deal with them. What was that deal? The deal was that they will let the dog decide if he would stay with Walt and Madge or would go back to its means with Skiff Miller. And paragraph 43 is, fine, we'll play fair, Madge said. Then Madge answered, okay, we will play fair. We will play fair means neither Madge nor Miller will try to make the dog choose between them. Means ना तो मैच और ना ही मिलर उस डॉग को अपने पास रखने की कोशिश करेंगे. Paragraph 44. Well, then I might as well be getting along, Skiff Miller said in the ordinary tones of one departing. Then Miller said, maybe वह मेरे साथ जा सकता है. In ordinary tone of one departing. In ordinary tones of one departing means Miller bade them goodbye in a very casual, natural manner so that the dog would think that he was actually leaving for good. In the ordinary tones of one departing means Miller उन्हें गुड बाय कहते हैं. इन कैजुअल मैनर मीन्स उसी वे में जिस वे में गुड बाय जाने के समय बोला जाता है ताकि डॉग समझे कि वह सच में जा रहे हैं. Paragraph 45. At this change in his voice, Wolf lifted his head quickly and still more quickly got to his feet when the man and woman shook hands. He sprang up on his hind legs, resting his forepaws on her hip and at the same time licking Skiff Miller's hand. When the latter shook hands, With Walt, Wolf repeated his act, resting his weight on Walt and licking both men's hands. When Skiff Miller said goodbye to Walt and Madge, and Wolf heard that Skiff Miller is going, he stood up quickly and licked both men's hands repeatedly. Paragraph 46. It ain't going to be easy, I can tell you that, were the Klondike's last words as he turned and went slowly up the trail. Then at last Skiff Miller said that it is not so easy, and he started going on his way. Paragraph 47. For some time Wolf watched him go, then with a quick low whine he sprang after him, overtook him, caught his hand between his teeth, and strove gently to make him pause. Strove means tried. Strove means tried. कोशिश करने लगा. So after some time he kept watching him to go. But after that he ran quickly towards Miller, caught his hand between his teeth and strove gently. Strove means tried gently to make him pause. Pause means stop. कुछ देर तो वुल्फ उसे देखता रहा और फिर वो तेजी से उसके पास भागा और भागकर उसके हाथों को अपने दांतों के बीच में पकड़ करके धीरे धीरे वह जेंटली वह उसे रोकने की कोशिश करने लगा. Now paragraph 48. Failing in this, Wolf raced back to where Walt Irwin sat, catching his coat sleeve in his teeth and trying vainly to drag him after the retreating man. He then turned his attention to Madge. He snuggled his head in her lap, nagging her arm with his nose, an old trick of his when begging for favors. When Wolf failed to stop Skiff Miller, he went back where Walt Irwin sat, and he caught his sleeve and dragged Walt to make stop Skiff Miller. Retreating man. Retreating man. Retreating means moving away. जब वुल्फ ने देखा कि स्किफ मिलर नहीं वापस आ रहे हैं तो वह वॉल्ट इरविन के पास आकर के उनकी कोट के स्लीव्स को अपने दांतों में पकड़कर उन्हें खींच कर ले जाने लगा कि वह उस स्किफ मिलर को जाने से रोक ले. जब उसने देखा कि वह भी कुछ रिस्पॉन्स नहीं कर रहे हैं तो वह मैच के पास गया. उसने अपना सिर उनके गोद में रख दिया and started pushing gently to get her attention. Nagging means pushing gently in order to get someone's attention, because this was his old trick to get their favor. क्योंकि वह चाहता था कि वे उसकी हेल्प करें. So he wanted that they help him to stop Skiff Miller not to go. Now paragraph 49. This too he soon abandoned. When they did not move, Wolf waited for a long minute silently and quietly. When he saw they are not helping him to stop Skiff Miller, Then he thought for a while. Silently and quietly he thought, and then he decided. And he stood up and paragraph 50. Then he was on his feet. He had made up his mind. His eyes were fixed up the trail. Then he stood up and looked ahead at the road. His eyes were fixed at the trail means he was staring straight ahead at the trail. वह उसी रास्ते को ध्यान से देखने लगा जिस रास्ते पर स्किफ मिलर गए थे. Para 51. He broke into a trot which turned into a run. Not once did he turn his head. He cut sharply across the curve of the trail and was gone. He broke into a trot. Broke into a trot means began to trot. Trot means quickly, fast, move fast. He walked quickly and his walk then turned into a run. Then ran towards Skiff Miller, and he did not turn his head for once. एक बार भी वह मुड़कर नहीं देखा. He cut sharply across the curve of the and he did not come back. He went with his master. वह अपने मास्टर के साथ चला गया और फिर वह लौट कर नहीं आया. So students, today I have completed chapter 6. I hope you have understood it. So write all word meanings and learn it. Thank you.